What's up, y'all? Gosh, it seems like forever since we've been out on the trout water. But we're fixing that today. Down here on the reservation this morning. I just got my tribal license and a cup of coffee that I just spilled on my leg. We're gonna go try and catch a few trout this morning. I got an extremely late start. I did not hear my alarm clock at all this morning and slept until 9:30. So now it is 10 o'clock, and so we may have missed the morning really good bite, but I don't know, we'll see. Pretty rainbow. Are you kidding me? Break off or come unbuttoned? Man, I didn't even have enough time to get my net out. And I just slid it right up on top of the rocks, and he slipped down in this puddle right here and popped off. Dang it! What's up, guys? Just got back home. Got cleaned up from fishing all day. I've got to work on my waders because they sprang a leak. Not cool. Had a really good day fishing today, even though I lost that one fish right at the bank. That one was going to come home and be dinner for me and my wife, but hey, whatever. Caught a couple of nice rainbows, caught some naughty heads, which those take them or leave them. at least something was pulling on the end of the line. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button for me. Consider subscribing. It would mean the world. And I'll see you guys next time out on the water and in the woods. Peace.